Hello guys, so I'm trading here with simple candlestick analysis. Here this is a bad market for trading, but still there is a chance to trade sometimes. Here I saw two bullish candle, and after that I saw a bearish candle, long bearish candle. So there is a chance to go this up. Here also this is a strong uptrend. You can see that this is the uptrend, and here is the level. Here is the level, and here is the level also. We can expect our next candle to this level. So let's wait for good opportunity. Here I found a good opportunity to trade. Here you can see two long bullish candle and then two small bearish candle. So from previous to small candle, you can see that next candle would be a small bearish also, and this was a winning trade. Here there is a level, and I found a good opportunity. Here you can see a long bullish candle, and after a long bullish candle we expect a bearish candle, and before the long bullish candle you can see a bearish candle also. So we can expect this candle as a bearish candle. So we own the trade. Here there is a level, and we expect this candle will reach to this level, because you can see this is a strong uptrend. This is a strong uptrend and this candle will be a bearish candle. You can see this long bullish candle. as a level, and you can see rejection again and again from this level. This is a strong resistance, so we can expect this candle as a bearish candle. Our previous candle and last candle was also a bearish candle. You can see we own the trade. So we own 5 trades in total.